I hear a train a-comin', it's rollin' around the bend. Hey, I ain't see the sunshine since I don't know when. Well, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps dragging on, but that train that keeps rolling down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear the whistle blow, I bet my head and cry. And I bet the trees for sleeping in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee or smoking big cigars. But I know I hate it coming, I know I can't be free. But those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. Well, if they freed me from prison, if that railroad wasn't mine, I bet I'd move a little farther down the line. Well, I fought from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.